Hi, nature explorers. Are you ready for a wing-tastic adventure today? I have a question for you. How do you taste your food? With your tongue, right? Well, get ready to be amazed, because some of our favorite garden friends have a much more unusual way of finding their favorite snacks. That's right. Butterflies actually taste their food with their feet. Today, we're counting down 10 amazing butterfly facts that will blow your mind. Welcome to our science countdown. Are you ready to see the world through the eyes of a butterfly? Let's dive in and get started with fact number 1. Fact number 1. As we mentioned, butterflies taste with their feet. But why on earth would they do that? It sounds so silly. Well, it's actually a super smart survival trick. They have special sensors on their legs that are very similar to the taste buds on your tongue. By drumming their feet on a plant, they can sense the chemicals in the leaves. This tells them if the plant is safe and healthy for their babies. Mommy butterflies use their feet to make sure they are laying their eggs on the exact right type of leaf that the little caterpillars like to eat. Imagine if you had to take off your socks and step on your pizza to see if it was pepperoni. That would be one very messy dinner party, wouldn't it? But for butterflies, it's the perfect way to explore. It helps them find the sweetest nectar and the best homes for their future families. Fact number 2. Have you ever looked closely at a butterfly's wings? They are actually made of thousands of tiny overlapping scales. These scales overlap just like the shingles on the roof of a house. They are what give butterflies their incredible bright patterns and colors. Some scales are colored by pigment, but others use special structures to reflect light, creating that amazing shimmering effect we love to see. These scales aren't just for looking pretty. They help protect the butterfly's delicate wings and even help them soak up the sun's warmth to get energy. The scales also create a smooth surface that helps airflow over the wings, making it easier for the butterfly to glide gracefully through the air. So, next time you see a butterfly, remember that you're looking at thousands of tiny, colorful puzzle pieces working together. Fact number 3. Butterflies go through one of the most incredible transformations in the world. It's called complete metamorphosis. It all starts with a tiny egg, no bigger than a pinhead. Inside, a little life is waiting to begin its big journey into the world. Out pops a hungry caterpillar. Its only job is to eat and eat and eat. It grows so fast that it has to shed its skin multiple times. Then comes the pupa stage. The caterpillar builds a protective chrysalis around itself. Inside, something truly amazing is happening. The caterpillar's body actually dissolves into a liquid. Then, it rebuilds itself from scratch into a completely new form. It's like nature's puzzle. Finally, a beautiful winged adult emerges. It dries its wings and takes its very first flight. What a spectacular way to grow up. Can you imagine if you went to sleep as a kid and woke up as a colorful bird? That's what it's like for these amazing creatures. Fact number 4. Monarch butterflies are world-class travelers. Every year they go on a massive journey across the continent. This is called migration. They fly over 3,000 miles from as far as Canada all the way down to the warm forests of Mexico. That's like flying across the entire United States. For such a tiny, delicate insect, that is an incredible feat of strength and endurance. But how do they know where to go? They use the position of the sun and the Earth's magnetic field to navigate, just like a built-in GPS. Even more amazing, the trip is so long that it takes 4 generations of butterflies to complete the full cycle back and forth. It's like a giant family relay race through the sky. These monarchs are truly the ultimate explorers of the insect world. Fact number 5. Butterflies drink from mud puddles. Now, that might sound a little gross to us, but for them, it's a vital snack. This behavior is called puddling. They use their long, straw-like tongues to sip up water from the moist ground in sunny spots. They aren't just drinking water. They are looking for important minerals and salts like sodium that they can't get from flower nectar. Think of it as nature's sports drink. These extra nutrients help them stay strong, fly long distances, and produce healthy eggs. You'll often see groups of male butterflies having a puddle party together in the sunshine. It's a great way to socialize and fuel up. Fact number 6. Some butterflies are actually poisonous. This is their secret defense to keep hungry predators away. Their bright, flashy colors like orange, red, and yellow are a loud warning to birds and lizards that say, "Hey, I taste terrible!" The poison often comes from the plants they ate when they were caterpillars. For example, monarchs eat milkweed, which is toxic to birds. It doesn't hurt the butterfly, but if a bird tries to take a bite, it gets a very bad tummy ache and learns to never try that again. It's a brilliant way to survive. Instead of fighting, they just wear their warning signs right on their beautiful wings. Fact number 7. Butterflies see a secret world that we can't. Their wings look totally different under ultraviolet light. While humans can't see UV light, butterflies can. To their eyes, many flowers and even other butterflies have glowing patterns. These hidden patterns act like landing strips on a runway, guiding the butterflies straight to the yummy, sweet nectar deep inside. They also use these secret UV marks to find and recognize each other from far away. It's like their own private, glowing language. Imagine having built-in night vision or superhero eyes. Butterflies really do have a unique and colorful view of our world. Fact number 8. Let's talk about the Atlas moth. It's one of the largest insects in the world, but it has a very strange secret. The adult Atlas moth actually has no mouth at all. That means it can't eat anything during its entire adult life. Can you imagine? Because it can't eat, it only lives for about 5 to 7 days. It has to use up all the energy it stored when it was a caterpillar. But what a week it is! With a wingspan of up to 10 inches, it is so big that some people in the forest mistake it for a bird. Look at the tips of its wings. They look just like snakeheads. This scares away predators and keeps the giant moth safe while it rests. Even though its time is short, the Atlas moth is one of the most spectacular and mysterious creatures in nature. Fact number 9. Butterflies are amazing little helpers. They are pollinators, just like bees, and they help plants grow. As they travel from flower to sip nectar, tiny grains of pollen stick to their bodies and legs. It's a very important job. When they fly to the next flower, they drop that pollen off. This helps the plants produce seeds so they can make new baby plants. Without butterflies, we wouldn't have many of the fruits, vegetables, and beautiful flowers that we enjoy every single day. Thank you, butterflies. They are vital for a healthy planet. So by protecting butterflies, we are also helping our gardens and farms thrive. Fact number 10. There are over 20,000 different species of butterflies all around the world. That is a massive variety. From the bright blue morpho to the tiny western pygmy blue, they come in every color, size, and pattern you could possibly imagine. You can find them living in rainforests, deserts, and even in your own backyard. They live on every continent except for icy Antarctica. Each species has its own unique story and role to play in nature. It would take a lifetime just to see them all. Isn't that incredible? So next time you're outside, keep your eyes wide open. You might just spot a brand new species that you've never seen before. Wow! What a journey! From tasting with their feet to seeing a secret UV world, butterflies are truly some of nature's most amazing creatures. They are nature's tiny superheroes, helping our plants grow and making our world a much more beautiful and colorful place for everyone. If you loved learning about butterflies today, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up for more amazing science facts every week. Thanks for watching, little explorers. Keep being curious and keep exploring the wonderful world around you. See you next time. Bye-bye.